What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In today's episode, we are going to review something that I got on the Ryobi days, and this is Ryobi's router. Also, subscribe to the channel because I do stay up on deals, clearances, and stuff like that. And let's go ahead and get into this review. Here, you can loosen it to go up and down very easy. You can press this tab right here down, and then you can take this off when you press that down. Hold on. All right. And here you have a bit, and to take this bit off, you gotta hold this button in to lock the nut right here. And then in the box comes this wrench. You unscrew the nut and take the bit out. That is how you change bits. The main thing with routers are the bits. Great, I just dropped that one. Right here you have certain bits that do corners. You can do like engraving, like if you want to engrave stuff. The main reason why we needed the router is because we did the butcher counter for the mini bar, and we want to round off the edges. This is the butcher block, and I want to use the round edger, so I'm gonna be doing some tests on that before I actually work on the main project. Slide the bit back in, lever in right here, make sure it's tight. All right, so when you put this back in, you gotta push this back down. When you put this back in, you gotta push this part to tighten it. That's how you tighten, and that's the basics, really. I'm ready to put a battery in, turn it on so y'all can hear it. All right, here is the on and off. Got a light to it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I got y'all up close and personal. Let me go ahead and turn it on so y'all can see. So that's basically that bit right there. I'm doing 3 different bits. So that was a skinny bit. Let me go ahead and take this out. So once again, let me show y'all this real quick. You loosen this for safety reasons. Take the battery out, right? When you go down, you can't go down because you gotta press this button right here. And then that's it. Push this button down to make that tight. And you know the drill, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then be careful with the bit because it might be hot. Put this router in, put the battery in, and start it up. I am going to go down even further and make a line in there. Don't want to tighten it. All right, I'm about to turn it back on, you guys. I know it's gonna be a little loud, but right. I just made a little wiggly line. And again, be mindful, the bits get hot, so before you change it, make sure it cools down, or you take like pliers to take the bit off. All right, you guys, let me take y'all to the corner. And be careful when you're doing this in the house, because guess what? You're gonna get a lot of sawdust on you. Oh boy, my wife's gonna kill me. So with this, I obviously went down a little too far, but this thing is round right here. This is good. All right, so like I said, I got plenty of test wood that I'm gonna do before I actually touch the countertop. Okay, you guys, so I finally got the perfect roundness. I'm gonna grab my butcher block. Now these are real sharp edges. Hopefully the same setting I have will match up to what I need. Now I'm gonna give some advice before you start it. Don't start it on the wood, because that's very dangerous for what I've been doing. This is perfect. As y'all can see, the corner perfectly round. All right, it's not like this corner, sharp edge, somebody could hurt themselves here. This corner is a round edge, and the top is actually smooth. So that's it with the Ryobi router review. I always look for deals, and this was actually a great deal for $100 in case you want to engrave names in wood, if you do wood projects, if you want to do corners, edges for wood, this is the best product. And that's about it. Like, comment, and please subscribe.